Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn by Yourself. Today we are going to discuss about typecasting in Java. So we know there are different data types in Java like integer, float, double, string, character. So when we need to convert a data type from one data type to another data type, we can use this typecasting method. There are two methods for typecasting. One is widening casting, another one is narrowing casting. Widening casting means it is an automatic conversion. Means the compiler which you will use, it automatically converts from one data type to another data type as per the program requirements. This narrowing casting means the user who codes, he will convert from one data type to another data type according to his requirements. First, we will discuss about widening casting. This widening casting means while doing type conversion in this widening casting, we need the compiler will follow this kind of flowchart. Means from byte to short means this order only we can convert. We cannot convert from double to float or double to long or long to char. For example, see this program class here. N is a variable which stores 10. 10 is nothing but an integer. So here we are forcibly converting n, which is an integer, to m. M is nothing but float. So now check this in online compiler. Here we have the same program. Here 10 is a integer which is stored in n, and this m is n is stored in m. M is nothing but a float. When I run this program, and also here printing we n and m. So n is nothing but 10, which we declared as integer. So when we store this n value in m, m is nothing but we are converting it to float. When we print, when we try to print this m, here it is printing like a 10.0. 0 is nothing but a float. When there is nothing after the decimal, this by default it will print 0. This is nothing but widening typecasting. And also when we come to this narrowing casting, narrowing casting is reverse to this widening typecasting. Here we are converting larger data type to smaller data type. When we convert a larger space to smaller space, there will be a loss of data. And when we try to convert floating value into data type, in case it lost the decimal values. For example, when it comes to here, double n means 108.9899. 9899 means this is a double number. When we convert this n to integer, means integer is nothing but a number which has no any decimal values. So when we convert this to m, it is an integer, there will be no values after this decimal. Try to see this online compiler. See here, n is a double number and this n is stored in m. M is a integer. When I try to print this, see here we got two values, and the upper one is decimal number, which we can tell by this decimal values, and the lower one is a integer value, which means there is no decimal values for those integers. By this we can typecast from, and also here double n is equal to 10.9899, which is a double number. When we convert that to integer, we lost those values. Now we can see into to string, how to convert from integer to string. So in order to convert into to string, we need a wrapper class. It is nothing but a number class. This wrapper class provides primitives data type as objects. For int is a data type, whereas integer is an object for that data type. Here we have several ways to convert from integer to string. First one is by using string object type from Vapor class. String object is a object for data type of string. By using this, we can convert from integer to string. And the second is using integer object type from Wrapper class. Integer is a object for int. String s is equal to integer dot to string of I. We converting 10 to 10 as a string. Type 3 using string dot format. Int I is equal to 200, which is an integer. Now string s is equal to string dot format of %d I. %d is represents integer, for float %f, for string %s. We will, by above these three, we can convert from integer to string. And now we will see how to convert from string to int. Here we use this method, parseInt method. So now declare a string like string s is equal to 200, converting string into int using this integer dot parse. Integer is nothing but a object for int data type. And the second one is using integer Wrapper class method. So now first declare a string s is equal to 200, converting this string into integer using integer dot value. Integer is a object for int. Integer I is equal to integer dot value of s. Value of s is nothing but string. Like, share, subscribe, and share this video to your friends. Once again, thanks for watching this video.